We are on the 4th day of Christmas. Ooh, mango peach lime. Let's make a refreshing limeade. We've got mango peach lime spread, Seagram's extra dry gin. It's a really nice tasting gin and won't interfere with any of the fruit flavors. A locally made peach eau de vie, which will add a lot of kick to the drink. And finally, I'm going to top with some tonic water, but feel free to use soda if you're not a tonic fan. We'll be using all the jam in this little bottle, which is 2 tablespoons. We want to make sure that grapefruit flavor comes through. 1½ ounces of Seagram's extra dry gin, affectionately known as Old Bumpy because of the bottle. 1/2 ounce of the peach eau de vie will add a complexity and strength to the cocktail. A full ounce of lime juice, freshly squeezed. We want this to be very refreshing and bracing. Fill the shaker with ice. This is definitely a drink that you should shake. You've got jam in the bottom, so you need to break it all up. Shake for about 10 to 15 seconds, and remember, if you like gin, like this video and subscribe to Gin Boss, and see what we're up to next. Nice big ice cube in your glass, and let's strain it just in case we have some particles of fruit. Looks pretty good. It's going to be very refreshing. You can just use some tonic water on the top or soda if you do not like tonic. Either one works. And finally, take a twist of lime and express some oil on the top of the drink and brush it along the edge of the glass. And there you have it, fresh limeade. Thanks for watching Gin Boss, and we hope you'll try this nice easy cocktail soon.